Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Bitcoin on OKX. Right now we are here on the trading chart, and if you don't have any idea how to come here, please click on trade and go to spot and margin trade. Then right now we search right here on the symbol bar for BTC, that means Bitcoin, and then you can decide if you want to do this for USD or euros. Let's do it for USD. So right now we have the chart standing right here. And then the only thing that we need to do is go down to this screen right there, because now we can decide if you want to create a market order or a limit order. Then after that, I decide to do a limit order. Select here the price that you want to step in. Then select right here the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy. And then after that, click here on take profit or stop loss if you want to create a take profit or stop loss with it. And then the only thing that we need to do is click here on buy Bitcoin. Then click here on confirm, and then you just bought Bitcoin. I don't have any money standing on this account, so there's no way how I can buy it from now, but this is the way how you can buy Bitcoin on OKX. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.